Today we're going to go over the redeye tool. So go ahead and download the support file, or just open up a photo that has some redeye. Some cameras do a better job at avoiding redeye than others, but it still might be a problem depending on the lighting conditions. So go ahead and open up that, and if you click and hold on the spot healing brush tool, it should be a flyout menu, and we can select the bottom one, the redeye tool. And what this does is, I'm going to zoom in here, it's going to pixelate a little bit because it's a smaller photo, but if you look up at the top, there's 100% and then all the way down to 1%. That just controls the size of the pupil once we click in. And then the darken amount adjusts how dark the pupil is. I'll show you what I mean. So you can click and drag around an area like that. I found that's not as effective as just clicking and letting go. Alright, I'm going to actually work on a duplicated copy here, duplicated layer. So press Control or Command J first. If you want to work on a duplicated layer, then you can toggle the visibility afterwards and see the effect. So if you just click and let go, and then click and let go, you'll notice that it gets rid of the redeye, and the pupils are a little bit larger than what we need. So what you can do is set that back down to about 50%, maybe the darken amount back to about 50% as well, and then click and let go, click and let go, and click and let go in each of those areas, and there we go. This is the before and then after. And I think that did a pretty good job. If I just press Control Alt Z, or it'd be Command Option Z on the Mac, you can see what this does. If I do pupil size 100%, it's just slightly larger pupil. You can tell there. Also, if you do darken amount, say 100%, it's a lot darker. Alright, it's very subtle. The difference is not that strong, but it is noticeable. So I would say start out at 50% and then see if you need to adjust it for the best effect. That's the redeye tool. It's pretty effective. We'll see you next time.